Hey, Jack Squad, let's make some sweet and spicy chicken with vegetables. Easy recipe, accessible ingredients, and it will definitely feed a crowd. So stay tuned, honey, and I'll be back. And today we are making some chicken with mixed vegetables in a spicy, sweet red sauce. All right. Now you can. So guys, first what I have here. Now, if you don't have this in your house, that's fine. But I have this. This is like it's like seasoned chicken breast strips already. Okay. If you don't have this and you have regular chicken breasts at your house, just cut them up, season them, and I'm gonna show you what to do along in conjunction to how this is already done. Okay. So we're gonna use some of these chicken breast strips right here. Okay. Very good to have at hand because you could throw something really quick together. All right. And right here, my loves, we have some red onions, some celery, and some peppers. Okay. I have some broccoli that has already been thawed. If you're going to use fresh broccoli, you got to blanch them a little bit. Let them boil for about a minute just to soften them up a little bit. But I ain't using fresh. I'm using frozen, which has been thawed. Now we have some green seasoning. This is my sofrito. With my sofrito, I like to have it because I could do so many things with it. Add it to your soups, rices, meats, marinate with it. It is delicious to have sofrito along. A little bit of lemon juice. We have some ketchup. We have some sugar. I have some red pepper flakes here for a little kick. I have sesame oil. And I have plain cooking oil here, canola oil. I have black pepper, garlic powder. I don't have fresh garlic in here. But once you have this, guys, it's really not necessary. But if you have fresh garlic, by all means, feel free, okay? I have some light soy sauce. And I have some seasoning. Okay, all-purpose seasoning. We're gonna start sauteing our vegetables. I got about 2 tablespoons of oil. Okay, we have about 2 tablespoons of oil. We're gonna let that bad boy get nice and hot. And I'm gonna use about a good pound like this. Okay, I'll probably add a little bit more because that man could eat. All right, so I got this nice and hot. All right, we're gonna add our chicken, okay? And I'm gonna add some seasoning to this, guys. I'm gonna season that. A little seasoning, all-purpose seasoning of your choice. I'm gonna add some black pepper. Okay. Okay. I'm going to add a little bit of my green seasoning. I'm going to use this whole thing though. But I just want to get my green seasoning there for some extra flavor. Which is my sofrito. If you don't have homemade sofrito, go to the supermarket. Get it in the freezer section. Okay. I like this because it already has. If you want more garlic, take some. I thought I had some fresh garlic. I don't have any, so I'm just going to sprinkle a little bit of garlic powder on this. Boom. There you go. Nothing difficult. Cooking does not need to be difficult. It's just going with the process. And this smells so good because of the sofrito. I like to do what's called food fusion. I love food fusion. I love it, I love it, I love it, I love it, I love it. Okay? And the food fusion, I'm gonna add a little onion powder too. The food fusion is a little bit of Latin meets Asian. Listen, it's just taking little bits and pieces from other cultures to create a new flavor. Okay? Okay, if you need to add a little bit more oil, please feel free to do so. And because I want to infuse this with a little bit of the sesame oil, I'm going to add a little bit of sesame oil to my chicken as well. And I can use regular oil as well too. Alright, and this dish can also, for all you vegetarians out there, you can make this with tofu or whatever y'all eat it with. Tofu would be great with this, okay? Put this here. Now, I'm gonna just add this right here all into it, okay? Because we're gonna take it out all at once, because then we're gonna be making our sauce, okay? Then what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna take the other part of my sofrito and add it to that. So that's about about 3 heaping tablespoons of that sofrito. Okay. I'm gonna add a little bit more sesame oil, about a teaspoon. Okay, and at this point, I'm also going to add a little bit of that. This is low sodium. That's why I like this too. It's low sodium. Okay. Now this, really, from what I'm looking at, it could really feed 4 people, especially if you're serving it with rice. This could definitely feed like 4 people. Definitely. Now I'm going to add some red pepper flakes here. I'm going to start off with a pinch right now of red pepper flakes. You add as much as you like. Okay. So I'm gonna cook this about 2 more minutes. I still want my peppers and my onions and my celery. And if you have some carrots, use some carrots. If you're gonna use carrots, you might want to blanch your carrots too, or if they're, depends on how you cut them, how thin. I would definitely do that. We're gonna cook this. I don't like mushy vegetables because I want a little bit of crunch. I want a little bit of crunch still to this. Because after we're done with this, we're going to start building up our sauce. Alright, so I'm going to use about 2 tablespoons of cornstarch. Okay, and you're going to use 4 tablespoons of water. This is for your slurry. And your slurry is going to thicken your sauce. And this is what we want. Okay? Can you turn on? And what I'm going to do, we're just going to stir this. This is our slurry right here for our sauce. Okay. Okay, our beautiful red, sweet, spicy. So I got 1/3 cup of ketchup. I'm gonna use 2 tablespoons of sugar. You could use cane sugar too. 1/3 cup of soy sauce. This is low sodium. Low sodium. So that's 1/3 cup of that. Okay. We're going to add a teaspoon of lemon juice, another teaspoon of sesame oil, okay, and we're going to mix that in. Guys, I am going to add some chicken broth. If you don't have chicken broth, you could use water. So I'm using about a 1/2 cup of chicken broth, okay? Has a little coldness with. I'm going to use a little bit of this, and I'm going to just pop it in the microwave for about 20 seconds. Okay. Just guys, I just took this, stuck in the microwave for about 30 seconds, just to. Because the thing is, just to bring up the heat a little bit, because you know we're going to add this later on, and we don't want to add something that's still cold into something that's hot. All right, so let's get started with our sauce, my love. I'm going to put this into here. I want to do, my loves, I am going to bring this to a nice simmer. Okay, see how your sauce is coming through? Okay, so now I'm going to add a little bit at a time. Add your slurry a little bit at a time to your desired thickness. If you like it this texture because you want to serve it over rice, leave it at this texture. I'm just adding accordingly. We're not having this with rice because we're trying to work on that. I'm just not in the mood for rice today. Okay. So right now we're just seasoning this, thickening this up. So, you know, you add according to the texture you want. Okay. Okay, because what we want the sauce thick, and we're just going to coat. So this is where I want it, right here. This is fine for me. And I'm just going to do this for about a minute, and then we're going to throw everything back in. Add this to our sauce. We're going to add our broccoli. And now we're going to bring up the heat a little bit to medium. And basically, guys, you just want to warm the broccoli through. Very nice. Very nice. Yes. We just doing this. Look at that. Okay. I'm gonna add a little bit more spice to this for a little kick. Okay. You just want to warm this through, guys. That's it. Okay, guys. Now I'm gonna plate this. Plate this bad boy here. Oh, look at that, baby. Some nice fresh scallion on top. A little bit from my garden. All right. Gotta make it look cute, because you be seeing people after they add that parsley. I'm like, all right, let me, you know, make it look cute. You know, because food is like that. You want to make it look very nice. That's nice. And my loves, here it is. Our sweet and spicy chicken with vegetables. Doesn't that look so good and scrumptious? Guys, let me tell you something. You don't have to have this with rice. But if you have rice and that's what you want, go ahead. I'm doing some potatoes and some plantains on the side, guys. This is the life. Some guineo. We're not doing it with rice. I boiled some potatoes. Actually, 2 potatoes that I cut in half. And I got some boiled guineo. They're like a smaller version of like plantains and stuff. Okay, that we're gonna have with this. Let's try this. Take some of that, this here, a little bit of that. I want to try the broccoli with this first. Let's try it. Oh yeah. A little bit of that onion. A little bit of that onion, celery. Oh yeah, baby. Oh yeah. That's it right there. Oh my God. Has a right nice amount of kick. You control the amount of kick you want with your with the heat. So good. And it stretches, and some you could throw 1, 2, 3. You know. You don't have to have it with rice. You can have it like this. You can have it with some boiled guineo, which is just like a plantains. Some boiled potatoes on the side. Baby, this is it. This is it with that delicious sauce. Perfect. Guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. Please don't forget to like and subscribe. Let everybody know about Jackie's cooking, and check out my other videos, okay, that are linked to this. And my loves, leave your comments for me, and I need you to do 3 things for me, my loves, and I need you to eat, love, and pray.